Hello and welcome to our channel. Today's topic is all about how to save money on pet expenses. We all know that owning a pet can be expensive, from food and vet bills to toys and grooming. But don't worry, in this video, we will share 10 proven strategies that will help you save money while still providing the best care for your furry friends. Before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button to support us. Let's get started. 1. Adopt, don't shop. The first strategy to save money on pet expenses is to adopt a pet from a local animal shelter. Not only will you be saving money on adoption fees, but you will also be giving a loving home to a pet in need. Buying from pet stores or breeders can be costly and may come with hidden expenses. 2. Make your own pet food. Making your own pet food can be a great way to save money on pet expenses. You can use simple ingredients like chicken, rice, and vegetables to create a nutritious meal for your pet. Just be sure to consult with your vet to ensure that your pet is getting all the necessary nutrients. 3. Buy pet food in bulk. Buying pet food in bulk can help you save money in the long run. Look for deals and discounts at your local pet store or purchase online in large quantities. This will not only save you money but also save you from frequent trips to the store. 4. Consider pet insurance. Pet insurance can be a great investment for your pet's health and your wallet. It can help cover unexpected vet bills and medical expenses. Do your research and compare different plans to find the best fit for you and your pet. 5. Groom your pet at home. Grooming your pet at home can save you money on grooming expenses. Brushing your pet's fur, trimming their nails, and bathing them can all be done at home with minimal costs. This will also help you bond with your pet and keep them healthy. 6. Shop sales and clearance items. When shopping for pet supplies, look for sales and clearance items. This can save you money on toys, food, and other necessities. You can also check out online retailers that offer discounted prices on pet products. 7. Use online resources. There are many online resources that can help you save money on pet expenses. You can find free or discounted pet services, like vaccinations or spaying/neutering, at local animal shelters or rescue groups. You can also find information on DIY pet care, including homemade toys and treats. 8. Share expenses with other pet owners. Sharing expenses with other pet owners can help you save money on pet-related costs. You can share pet sitting services or purchase supplies in bulk together. This can also help build a community of pet owners who can support each other. 9. Invest in quality products. While it may seem counterintuitive, investing in quality products can actually save you money in the long run. High-quality food, toys, and supplies can last longer and require less frequent replacements. This can save you money and ensure that your pet is getting the best care. 10. Prioritize preventative care. Preventative care, such as regular checkups and vaccinations, can help keep your pet healthy and save you money on medical expenses in the long run. By keeping up with your pet's health, you can catch any potential problems early and avoid costly treatments. And that's it. Those are our 10 proven strategies for saving money on pet expenses. By adopting, making your own pet food, buying in bulk, considering pet insurance, grooming at home, shopping sales, using online resources, sharing expenses with other pet owners, investing in quality products, and prioritizing preventative care, you can provide the best care for your pet while also saving money. We hope you found this video helpful, and if you have any other tips for saving money on pet expenses, please share them in the comments below. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos like this. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.